Happy Halloween, everyone! Today I have a video for you about how to carve pumpkins into jack-o'-lanterns. So first I'm going to go through some of the tools that you need and then the steps to turn these two pumpkins into jack-o'-lanterns for Halloween. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is a pumpkin. You're also going to need to cover the surface where you're going to carve the pumpkin with some kind of paper, like this is just a paper bag, or some plastic because it gets a little bit messy. Next, what you're going to need is a few knives. So we have a small knife and a very large knife and a little carving knife with a small blade on the end. You're going to use that to carve the pumpkin. The first thing you're going to do is carve around the top here and take off the lid of the pumpkin. Then inside there's a lot of meat and seeds. So you're going to need a spoon to scoop out all of the seeds, and then you're going to need something to put the seeds into. So a bowl like this. You should keep the seeds because they're very tasty if you cook or roast them in the oven with a little bit of salt. So now you're going to get to see the process as it's happening. So here are the seeds that came out of the pumpkin along with some of the stringy bits inside. And here is the inside of the pumpkin. This part is called the meat of the pumpkin, even though it's not actually meat. And inside here is where we're going to put a candle when we're all done carving. So now the pumpkin is all prepared. To fit the top back on just the way it was, to carve a face or some other type of design into the side of the pumpkin. Okay, now before you get started carving, it's probably a good idea to draw out what you want to carve first. So here's mine. It's a simple face, eyes, little nose, and a mouth. Or you could do something less traditional and draw some kind of picture or figure like this, who is Mario from Super Mario Brothers. So here's two different designs, and I'll show you what they look like when they're all done.